skin revives that smooth, radiant appearance with the only technology that combines 6 treatments in one. It tightens the pores, softens fine lines, and hydrates whilst delivering antioxidants to counteract aging of the skin, leaving you with instant glowing results. It's an innovative treatment for everyone, with no discomfort or downtime, and you can enjoy it regardless of age or skin type. Introducing Hydrafacial's 6 treatment steps. Step 1. Detox. Lymphatic drainage helps to increase circulation of the lymphatic system, increasing blood flow to the area which conveys oxygen to support the cells. It also brings fresh, clean lymph to restore hydration, tone, and firm the skin whilst eliminating toxins. Step 2. Cleansing and exfoliation. Dead skin cells are gently exfoliated while serum containing lactic acid, glucosamine, and tannic extracts is applied to the face. This deep cleanses and nourishes the skin, revealing a healthy new complexion. Step 3. Brightening agent. Our own gentle glycolic and salicylic solution helps loosen debris from your pores, ready for the extraction stage, whilst brightening the appearance of the skin. Step 4. Extraction. Effortless and painless extractions help to remove blackheads and draw out impurities in congested areas, using a serum of natural salicylic acid and honey extract. Step 5. Hydration. Hydrafacial vortex fusion technology delivers hydrated mix of hyaluronic acid, powerful antioxidants and peptides to replenish the skin. This results in the skin feeling and looking hydrated, fresh and plump. Step 6. Rejuvenation. Red and infrared LED light is used to reduce redness and further stimulate collagen. The light also helps natural production of vitamin D, leaving your skin glowing. Thousands of people enjoy a Hydrafacial regularly to promote continuous skin health. Unlike other effective facial treatments, the Hydrafacial is completely painless, and you'll leave the clinic boasting clear, rejuvenated skin with clinically proven long-term benefits. Do you experience fine lines, wrinkles, acne, pigmentation, or dry skin? A Hydrafacial treatment can be the solution to any of these concerns.
Yeah, it's very different to any other facials that I've had before, that, they've been more about putting lots of creams and products onto your face. I don't feel like I've been overloaded with creams or products.